Is force responsible for deforming material? Answer is no. Only stress deform material. Only stress. Net force, if the net force is zero, no problem. Only stress is responsible for deforming material. Non-contact force never generates stress. Never. Like non-contact force are like gravitational, electrostatic, like that. Let us see this example. 1 kg block is behind 10 kg block. The 110 Newton force is contact force acting in horizontal direction. Let us suppose friction equal to 0. Force equal to mass into acceleration. 110 Newton is equals to like this. Total acceleration is 10 meter per second square. Force on block A is equal to 110 Newton from there and normal from here by this. And we know that acceleration is 10 meter per second square. Then 110 Newton right side minus left side is equal to net force equal to mass into acceleration. 110 mass is 1 kg and acceleration normal force is equal to 10. This is the free body diagram of A block A. Normal stress is equals to least of these force. Whichever is least divided by cross section area. Cross section area is this. This is the cross section area. Okay, and this is in compression. Okay, compression, and this will compress this body. Force on B. This 100 Newton normal here, and by action and reaction pair 104 Newton to block B, like this. Stress on B is equals to 0. A get in compression. B gets never be under deformation. तो B कभी भी डिफॉर्म नहीं होगा इस केस में. A डिफॉर्म होगा. अब बात करते हैं नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस लाइक एटमॉस्फेयर ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. इफ इवन द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इज इनफाइनाइट द बॉडी कैन नेवर बी डिफॉर्म्ड. नेवर बी. Atmosphere pressure 0 because this can generate contact force, and due to that body get into compression at some stagnation velocity or beyond that. If this is a man falling in this planet, this get rotated like this, but no part of this object under deformation. Okay, force never be responsible for deforming body. Deformation is only related with stress. In this case, this is a strip. This is F net equal to 0, but stress is equals to F by cross section area. So in this case, net force is 0, stress is F by A. So only and only stress is responsible for deforming body. Thank you. So like my video, share this video and subscribe to my channel Science and Research. Thank you.